We all have a reason to live for. You watching, yes, I mean you watching, you have a reason to live for. You have a purpose, you have a vision that the Lord has given you. It doesn't matter how old you are, but if you know that reason why you are on earth, trust me, your life will never be the same again. Because each day when you wake up, you have a reason to live for. That is why you see lots of people, because they don't have a reason to live for, most of them sometimes feel like giving up. Will you feel like giving up sometimes? Yes, you will feel like it. But will you make better choices and better decisions to be the best version of yourself? Yes, you can. That's why in today's video, I will be sharing with you some tips on why your life will never be the same again. When you know what your purpose is on earth. So guys, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, my name is Bella. It's always a pleasure having you around. And if you are, my old subscriber, you are so welcome back. It's good to be home. Feel free, get some juice or water or coffee. Let us talk. Today we will be talking about you watching me. In some of my old videos, I've spoken about relationships and stuff like that. No man is an island. And just because you're not an island, you will need friends, family, relationships here and there with different kinds of people or different types of people. But in today's video, I want to tell you that you should have a relationship with yourself before having a relationship with other people, because if you know who you are about, where you are going and all whatnot, trust me, you will have a reason to live. And that very first relationship that you can have with yourself is knowing your purpose, knowing why you are here on earth for. You may, think that you are an accident, but I'm here to assure you this morning that you are not an accident on earth, irrespective of the fact that there exists illegitimate parents. But guess what? There is no illegitimate child. You may have been born out of wedlock, or you may have not been planned for by your parents and you came to this world. Welcome to this amazing world. It may be filled with ups and downs, but the Lord has a reason why He brought you here on earth. And guess what? The best thing that can happen to you is to know why you are on earth. When you know your purpose, trust me, your life will never be the same again, because your life will take a different turn. Your life is gonna, spin around and take a new direction. Listen to me. If you don't even know your purpose, stay tuned. Now, what is a purpose? What is the reason why you are on earth? When I say these words, what do I really mean? If you are an old subscriber, you will know I always talk about fulfilling destiny. Fulfilling destiny is something that is inevitable. When you know what your destiny is, when you know what you are supposed to do and you do that, even the Bible says that wisdom is the principal thing. When you are wise enough to discover what you are meant to do on this earth, trust me, your life will take a different turn. It's not about age. It's not about, how educated you are or the number of connections that you have. The one and ultimate connection that you can have is, having that connection with God, because when you know why you are here on earth, trust me, you will be happy. You will have a reason to live for. Recently I've just realized that a lot of people are depressed. Some people say, oh, I don't even know what I'm living for. I don't know why I'm here on earth for. Guess what? If you only take out some time to discover it, your life will turn around. There are some people who have been so lucky or fortunate, to discover what their purpose is or what they are meant to be doing in the world. Some people at a very young age, maybe they already know, oh, I have to play basketball. That is what maybe they have to do, and with that they create an impact. Some people, maybe it's creating content or videos and stuff like that. Other people, you know, don't even know what it is. You see, they're 10 years, 20, 30 years old, 40, 50, 60. They don't even know what they are meant to be. And, you know, some people just fall something on, you know, on you, like, hey, I need you to do this. You know, I'm not against African parents, because if you are an old subscriber, you will know that most African parents, well, it's just now that maybe some people are educated and, you know, they allow you to follow your passions, what you want to do or what you want to be and stuff like that. Don't get me wrong. There's nothing bad in orientating somebody, you know, trying to guide them or guide them into doing or making better choices or better decisions in their lives. There is nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with that. You know, however, like I said, I don't have a problem with it. However, it's good to let the kids or let the people in your family choose what they really want to do. You know, like I was saying, most African parents want you to be maybe a medical doctor, they want you to be a lawyer, barrister, you know, some kind of names. Not only because, you know, they want to have some fame attached to their name, that their daughter or their son is a medical doctor or is, you know, a scientist whatsoever, or is an astronologist, what, in fact, just whatever. You know, African parents, what I've noticed with almost all African parents is they love titles. The truth is, everybody want to associate themselves, you know, with success. But it's high time we all know that there are some successes that we humans define as success, but it's not actually success. But guess what? The only success that you can truly achieve is having the success of even knowing what your purpose is and fulfilling it. Because many of us out here, we think that we are successful, but in the eyes of God, we are a failure. What will it really profit you and I if we all try to please everybody on earth or our earthly people, or trying to get a particular standard in life? And in the eyes of God, you are a failure, you are a loser. Nothing. You know, I'm here to come and preach about, you know, that, but this does not cancel the fact that when you find your purpose, listen, when you find your purpose, you will definitely be successful in that. And whatever it is, whatever vision that the Lord has given you, whatever purpose, whatever thing it is that He wants you to do, in it, you will find every good thing that you want. It could be money. You will become rich in that, in doing what the Lord has told you to do. You will get great achievement, even fame, whatsoever it is that you want to do. When you are doing what God wants you to do, in that you will really be successful. You will truly, you know, be the best version of yourself. You will create an impact in the world. You know, I read a post one time and it said that the richest place is the cemetery. Like, why will it be the richest place? Because a lot of people, they have had a lot of great potential. They've had a lot of amazing gifts and talents in them, but they died with it. They died with it, so they've been buried. Now the world cannot even manifest, or the world cannot even experience, you know, that amazing thing that you have. You may be watching me. It doesn't matter how old you are. Take a moment. Think about it. What is your purpose? What is your vision? What does God want you to do? Are you actually doing it? If you know, are you compromising because, you know, you just think that, well, I think I can be good at this. Let me just do this because everybody's doing it. Are you doing it because everybody's doing it? You know, what is a purpose in the first place? You know, if they say, or if someone says that you have a purpose, you have something. First of all, having a purpose means that it's a direction. So when you have a direction, you know, like we have north, west, south, east. So if I'm saying that I'm going to the north, it means that that is a direction. It is a movement. It's going forward. It's advancing, going towards a particular thing. It's a journey. If I'm going south to the south, it means that I'm going this way. Or whatever direction it is that you're watching. So to me, my south is like down actually. So my north is up. And if I'm going to the west, or I'm going to the east. So in all of these things, where am I going to? Means I'm going to a particular place. So if I'm going north, it means that that is my direction. By no means should I go maybe to the west if I was supposed to be going north. So a purpose is having a focus. It's going in a particular direction. It's going somewhere. It is a journey. It means that daily you will discover what you are supposed to do. You will discover what you ought to do and where you ought to be. It doesn't mean that, oh, one day if you just sit and pray, oh God, what am I supposed to do in life? He would just tell you everything explicitly. No. It's just like a parcel. When God gives you a parcel, or when you have that, you open it up. And every day you begin to know, oh wow, this is, oh, so maybe, you know, like some people, when they give you a gift, they try to wrap a lot of plastics around it or parceling papers around it. And then you have to open and reveal until you reach to that treasure. That is how a purpose is. You don't, you know, you may know that this is what you have to be, but there is a process in it. And trust me, in that process, it's always so difficult. If you are watching me and you don't even know what your purpose is, the first thing is to acknowledge that, hey, I don't really know it, and you discover it. If you want to see another video on how you can truly discover your purpose, let me know, comment below, and I will show you a video about that. However, when you know your purpose, let me tell you some of the things that your life, or how your life will change if you know your purpose. Listen, you will be focused. I believe that one of the reasons why a lot of people suffer from mental health, although scientists, you know, they have a way of explaining it. They will tell you that, oh my God, it's because of this, because of that, blah, blah, blah. But trust me, it's because some people, you know, suffer from a mental crisis because they've given up. They've lost that hope. They don't even know what their reason for existence is. Because trust me, if you have a reason why you get up every day, there is absolutely no way that you get up one day and just commit suicide. If you know that maybe you're supposed to be a doctor, or maybe you're supposed to be a nurse, or you're supposed to, you know, do sciences or arts, or you're supposed to maybe preach the gospel, or you're supposed to do something, write, draw. There are people out here who have amazing talent to draw, and maybe that's what you were here to do. Draw things that will make people, you know, impact people. Or maybe you were called to be a designer, design clothes. There are so many people out here that are already dead, but we are still enjoying that brand name because they found what they were supposed to do. And for generations, people are still amazed that, oh wow, this is amazing, this is beautiful. Your life will never be the same again if you know your purpose. Your life will never be the same again because you will know what you were born to be, and you will start living it. The most amazing thing is with your vision, with your purpose, you will cause an impact. It can be, you know, it must not be so big. It can be in your family, it can be in your school, it can be in your city, it can be in your state, it can even be in your country, in your continent, and in the world at large. You may be watching me. It doesn't matter the age. Take a moment, sit and think. Are you just playing the system because, okay, everybody is doing this thing, let me just do it? Sit and think about it. What does God want you to do? You are special, you are amazing, and you have unique things that the Lord wants you to fulfill. In this time where there's a lot of, you know, COVID, a lot of people are dying maybe because of COVID and depression and a lot more, you know, a lot of stuff. It's high time for you to sit back. Imagine if everybody was, you know, going in and clocking in, you know, just to get a job. Maybe you were born to be a business person so you can hire people, but you're working under somebody. Why not take that bold step? It may always be as little, maybe it can always be as little as maybe helping an orphan or a widow. And that's what you were called to do. You start doing it. And one thing I want you to do is, if you are watching this video and God drops something in your heart that you ought to be doing, please do not resist it. If that thing, if that idea can come to your mind, then you can achieve that thing. You can achieve it. It will be so hard. It will be difficult. There are days that you will definitely feel like giving up, but it will be so worth it, because at the end of it, there will be joy, there will be peace. Guys, until next time, this is Bella. It's always a pleasure having you around. And do not forget that you are amazing, you are beautiful, and you are the beauty of Christ.